boys and girls, and welcome to day 3 of reading. So your learning targets today are I can understand the characteristics of realistic fiction. I can use graphic organizers as a strategy for comprehension, and I can apply word knowledge to the reading of a text. All right, so you're going to listen and follow along while I read pages 66 to 85. And your story this week is Beth's Job. All right, so realistic fiction is stories that are made up, but they could happen in real life. All right. So what can help you is if we do beginning, middle, and ending as a graphic organizer. Okay. So I want you to know that realistic fiction stories are about people doing things that could really happen. Okay, so then we're going to use this graphic organizer to help us with our story. All right, so comprehension strategy. Use graphic organizers. A story map can help you understand and remember the beginning, the middle, and ending of a story. So filling in a story map like the one in this picture will help you understand and remember what happens in the beginning, middle, and the ending of a story. All right, so let's start reading. Beth's Job by Carol Roberts, okay? Also, I want you to know that some classrooms, like ours, have classroom jobs. So this story is about a girl who doesn't like her job. All right, let's start reading. It's a day for new jobs. What is my job? Asked Beth. All right, so where does this story take place? And how do you know? Well, this story takes place in a classroom, and we see the children, the desk, and the teacher. So what kind of list is the teacher reading to the class? Well, he is reading a list of classroom jobs. So what does Beth want to know? She wants to know what her job is. You can water the plant, says Mr. Hall. Oh no, thinks Beth. All right, do you hear the sound and thinks and Beth? All right, so what is Beth's job? To water the plant. So how does Beth feel about her job? How can you tell? Well, Beth does not want this job. She looks sad and she thinks, oh no. All right, Max helps with hops. Hops is the class pet. I want that job, thinks Beth. I see a new and that. All right, so who takes care of Hops? Max. The sentence is Max helps with Hops. So does Max like his job? How can you tell? Max likes his job. You can tell because he looks happy. So how is Beth's job different from Max's job? Well, Beth takes care of the plant and Max takes care of the rabbit. All right, Anne helps with the eggs. Beth wants that job. So what is Anne doing? She is taking care of the eggs. So how can you tell that Beth wants Anne's job? Well, Beth is looking at Anne as if she wants to be doing that job instead of her job. So the sentence says so. Ready? Beth wants that job. And we hear that. We also hear the. All right, so what jobs have we read about so far? We read about Beth's job is watering the plant, Max's job is taking care of the rabbit, and Anne's job is taking care of the eggs. Jeff is first in line. Beth wants that job too. So what is Jeff's job? Well, he is first in line. So he is the line leader. So why do you think Beth wants these other jobs? Well, she thinks the other jobs look more interesting than her job. So what do you think will happen next in this story? What do you think is going to happen? Well, let's find out in our next video.